In this video, I want to show you our premium themes. These premium themes are available from our Shopware Rise plan, and with this you have access to our premium themes without any extra costs. With the help of premium themes, you can change the storefront design of your shop. The 5 premium themes are easily configurable so that nothing stands in the way of a straightforward change of theme. So this means that you can get started with new themes easily and smoothly, even without professional support. Despite how simple the themes are to use, they still have plenty of customization options so that you can customize them according to your own preferences. This means that you can design the theme according to your individual wishes without getting lost in complex setting options. All premium themes have been optimized for a good user experience and are designed to the highest standards. So the themes differ in the type of product placement, the color palette, and the arrangement of the elements. So each theme has its own style based on a perfectly harmonized symbiosis. I will now show you every single theme in the storefront and tell you the most important points of each of them. You can find the themes under My Extensions and then in the tab Themes. After the installation, you can use them. To assign a theme, simply go to your storefront settings down here and then click into the tab Theme. So here you can see that you can edit the theme, which is already assigned, or you can change the theme. Now click here and then choose a new theme. We'll start with the Elle theme and then click on Save, Change Theme, and then last but not least, don't forget to save with this button up here as well. After we have changed the theme in the admin, we can now have a look at the theme in the storefront. So the Elle theme reminds of the standard Shopware theme with its light and fresh look, but the premium theme also stands out from the standard thanks to the distinctive modern look. So with this theme, we have a focus or a good focus on the perfect product presentation. We have a configurable color palette for header and footer bars. You can incorporate your own shop logo in the footer. This theme is suitable for both, so small and large product ranges, as the theme scales well. A narrow header puts your company story in the foreground. And we've got an optimal balance of white space and contrast provides even more emphasis for your content. So after you have changed the theme, just click around your storefront, go into a category, have a look at the product presentations, go into a product and look at your product detail pages, and you can see that this is a real modern look, which still reminds of the Shopware default theme. I have changed the theme to the Shopware premium theme Showroom in the admin now, and you can see the Showroom theme now in my storefront here. The premium theme Showroom impresses with minimalist and clear structure and stands out with its stylish and clean design. So also with this design we've got a unique focus on the product placement as it functions as a showroom for your items. With this theme we've also got a configurable color palette for header and footer bars. You can incorporate your own Shopware logo or shop logo in the footer. This is also suitable for both small and large product ranges. And as a new feature for the showroom, we've got a clean, small menu bar, and this provides space for large format product photos. So if we just click into a category, we can see that this has a really minimalistic look, which really reminds of a tidy and clean showroom. This is our Shopware premium theme Shape. Shape stands out with its elegant and expressive look. Featuring an open and dynamic design, this theme offers you plenty of space to optimally present your products and content. So with the theme Shape, you can put your brand identity in the foreground and give your brand style and recognition value. So with this theme, we've got a focus on images and editorial content. So it's vibrant product experience. We've got a flat structure, navigation designed for small category trees, and this theme is perfect for small and individual product ranges. So because the category depth is limited to 3 levels. We've got coordinated accents and shadows linked to the main color. And we've got specially created illustrations for special shop pages, for example, page in maintenance mode or the 404 error pages. This is the premium theme Cinema. This premium theme convinces with a modern and high contrast design. The appealing product detail page offers space for detailed shots and large product photos. Which is why the Cinema theme is practically suitable for single product stores. With this theme, we've got a unique layout with a focus on product photos. The header and footer are linked to the secondary color. You can incorporate your own shop logo in the footer. This theme is scalable and therefore suitable for smaller as well as more extensive product ranges. This theme reduced display of product boxes in listings, so you've got no variants or rating information in the listing pages. And we've got configurable and customizable images for empty state pages, like the 404 error page or the maintenance mode, etc. Last but not least, we've got the Shopware premium theme Emporium. This theme provides you with a modern and sleek widescreen design, giving you plenty of space to focus on the essentials, your product images. Less is more also applies to the customizable product detail page, which appears extra clean and clear due to the collapsible product information. But don't worry, if you're already used to the standardized look of the product detail page, you have the option to keep the style of the Emporium theme while using the default layout, thanks to the shopping experience feature of Shopware. So this theme provides you with a modern and sleek design. It's understated layout with a focus on product photos, a minimalist widescreen design. The theme is scalable for small and large product ranges. Restructuring of product information on product detail pages. We've got a more compact design of product boxes in listings. Also an implementation of social media symbols in the footer. And also configurable and customizable pages. For example, you can choose your own image for empty state pages, like the 404 error page or the maintenance mode page.